inside or behind your chair. When I ask if your team is ready, reply so I know I can begin the match. Blue team, are you ready? Yellow team, are you ready?
Ready.
Prepare to engage the enemy in 3, 2,
hit. Wow. Wait a minute, is that the enemy right there?
Yeah, they're sitting back in that, like, third building up. Well, right
They're right there.
to that serving point. Where's he at?
Hold on, let me respawn. Unlimited.
Oh.
There's a guy right on the other side of our own building.
Where?
He pushed all the way up. Like, you see where that guy's leaning up? There was someone in that building.
Yeah, I see him right there.
Yeah.
Around the corner?
Yeah. Okay, let me, I'm crossing. Let me cross. Or let me cross the other way.
Hey, Emily, you good?
8 minutes remaining. 8 minutes remaining.
Okay, that's a weapon malfunction. Oh. Got him! He just took the entire mag. I had to use the entire mag for that.
Now, the funk soul rubber, check it out now. The funk soul rubber, right about now. The funk soul rubber, check it out now. The funk soul rubber, right about now. The funk soul rubber, check it out now. The funk soul rubber.
Okay, I ran out of ammo on the machine gun. Damn it. We're on a building on the other side of this. Oh my gosh, my arm is freaking lit off.
I'm out of battery. How do I get out?
Your battery's dead? You want to get out? Just like just put that sock on and just raise your weapon over your head and just walk out. Yeah, just do that and then they shouldn't shoot you too bad. And it's like raise your weapon and walk out really quick. Yeah.
3, 2. Game over. Game over.